The Bosch OSL114C-3 Carbide Blade offers exceptional torque transfer with its innovative three-dimensional Starlock interface, ensuring precise and controlled cuts every time. Featuring premium carbide construction, these blades promise up to 30 times longer life compared to standard bimetal options, making them a durable choice for professionals. The quick-change technology of the Bosch OSL114C-3 allows for safe, efficient blade replacements without touching the blade, even when hot from extended use. Swiss-made precision engineering guarantees these blades deliver accurate cuts and extended service life, with laser-etched markings for easy identification. With universal compatibility, these blades fit seamlessly with a wide range of professional tools from major brands, offering versatility for users with multiple platforms. This professional package includes three 1 1/4-inch Starlock carbide plunge cut blades, perfectly designed for maneuverability and professional-grade cutting applications.